Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at IObit Driver Booster Pro, one of the easiest tools to update and fix drivers on your Windows PC. If your computer feels slow, your games are lagging, or your devices stop working, this tool can really help. Let's get started. First of all, what is IObit Driver Booster Pro? IObit Driver Booster Pro is a driver update tool that automatically checks your PC and updates all outdated, missing, or broken drivers. Drivers are very important. They help your hardware and software work properly. When drivers are old, your PC can crash, freeze, or slow down. Driver Booster Pro updates everything safely so your computer runs smoothly again. Now let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of IObit Driver Booster. One-click update. Update all outdated drivers with one simple click. Fast scan. Finds old or broken drivers in just a few seconds. Huge driver database. Supports millions of drivers for all types of hardware. Game Boost. Improves gaming performance by updating game components. Auto backup. Makes a backup before updating so you can restore if needed. Offline driver update. Install drivers even without internet. Fix device errors. Helps repair sound issues, network issues, and device problems. So, who can benefit most from IObit Driver Booster? IObit Driver Booster Pro is perfect for many users. It's ideal for gamers who want better performance, office users who need a stable PC, laptop users facing sound or Wi-Fi problems, and home users who want their computer to run fast without any effort. Now, one of the most common questions is IObit Driver Booster is safe to use? Yes, IObit Driver Booster is completely safe. Driver Booster Pro is made by IObit, a trusted company in PC optimization. It only provides official and secure drivers, and all updates are checked before installation. It does not install any unwanted programs or ads. Now, how to use it. Using IObit Driver. Booster is very simple. Just follow these steps. Download and install the software, open it, and click the scan button. It will show all outdated drivers. Click Update. Now to update everything automatically. You can also turn on Auto Update to let the program update drivers in the background. That's it. Your PC becomes faster, smoother, and more stable. Now, if you want to unlock all premium features, faster updates, and full driver support, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So that's everything about IObit Driver Booster Pro. If you want your PC to run smoothly and without errors, this tool is a great choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.